Welcome back to my channel with another educational topic about Earth. Earth is one of the 4 terrestrial planets, according to NASA. Like Mercury, Venus, and Mars, it is rocky at the surface. The Earth isn't just spinning, it's also moving around the Sun at 67,000 miles, 107,826 kilometers, per hour. Earth is about 4.54 billion years old, according to the National Center for Science Education. About 71% of the Earth's surface is water-covered, and the oceans hold about 96.5% of all Earth's water. We don't feel the Earth itself spinning because we are held close to the Earth's surface by gravity. That's probably good because we would feel very dizzy moving that fast. The mixture of gas is what we often refer to as air, are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. Without them, we couldn't live. The world's largest earthquake was a magnitude 9.5 in Biobío, Chile on May 22, 1960, according to the U.S. Geological Survey, USGS. When Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago, its day would have been roughly 6 hours long. By 620 million years ago, a day was around 22 hours. Today, the average day is 24 hours long, but is increasing by 1.7 milliseconds every century. The reason? The Moon is slowing down Earth's rotation through the tides that it helps create. If the Sun were hollow, you could fit more than 1 million Earths inside.